Hello guys, today we are going to see how to use join on multiple conditions. How to do that? Let's create a new file, then we call it example join.php. Then let us save it here. Now let us increase this, then type PHP. As we know, it is like this. Okay, so now let's suppose that we have two values that will be used in conditions. The first one, maybe it is cc, which is called promoted, and the second one, for example, it is cd, which is approved. Now let's type the SQL query. So SQL equals okay, then select. So what are you going to select? Let's suppose that you're going to select s.sdms, s.names, s.sex, s.school, am.decision, c.school name, c.schoolter. So we are going to select SDMS, names, sex, school in the first table, and you select decision in the second table, and you select school name and schoolter in the third table. Now it is from the first table is student, it's called students, and let's call it S in this query. Now we are going to join the second table, which is max, and let's call it m on m.code equals s.code. So here the query will select where the values in code column in max is equal to the values in code column in student. This is students. Now you're going to join the third table, join schools info, and here let's call it c on c.school is equal the school code is equal s.school. So here it will match values in this column school code in table school information to the values in school columns in student table. Now after joining, so we're going to put condition, or we're going to put where clause, where s active equals question mark and m decision equals question mark. So here we have two conditions. So it will take s active, which will be equal to this promoted, and m decision, which is equal to cd. Now after typing the query, so we are going to prepare this query. So we type stmt equals con. So this is for connecting the database. Now prepare SQL. After preparing SQL, STMT bind. So we are going to bind the parameters param SS. Here we have two values in where clause. That is why I put SS. As we know, S is for string, also S is for string, because here SS is a string and CD is also a string. So if one of them is an integer, so you have to put I. Then after we put CD, the first one is CC and CD. Okay, so this CC is this value and this CD is this value. Now the next we are going to execute STMT execute. After executing, we are going to get the result equals STMT get result. Then after we are going now to get each row by typing while row equals result fetch a source, then we get, for example, SDMS equals row SDMS names equals row names sex equals row sex grade equals row grade school name equals row school name school tier equals row school tier. Okay, so we can also get school code equals row school code. So remember that everything you put here must be defined here. Have SDMS name, sex, school, decision, school name, school tier. So here it is not school code, it is school, because here we don't have school code, you have school, this one. Also you can get this value decision, so it means we can say decision equal row decision. So you have to know if everything's there. Decision, school, school title, school name, grade, sex, names, STMS. So we check here, we don't have grade. So we can also put s.grade. Okay. So everything here must be defined here. It must be defined here. So this is how we use join when you have more than 2 tables, students, marks, school info, and you have different conditions in where clause. Thank you very much. See you next time.